My lovely child, you tried, it's okay. You gave it all you had. You should be proud. You pushed yourself. You are not a failure. You are a warrior. Prepare yourself because I am opening new doors for you. I love you. Overthinking can kill your peace. Pray, trust, and leave it in my hands. I can bring happiness to your depression. I can bring peace to your anxiety. Just call on me. I am here. By your side, I am your God. I love you. I need you to know that I will love you even when you make a mistake. My love for you is not limited. I love you. I am not far away. I am right here. Let me in. I love you. I forgive you and I want you back. I love you, my child. I bless you. Type yes if you believe.